What is annuity? Annuity is a series of periodic payments or deposit usually made in equal amount at equal intervals of time. An ordinary annuity certain is an annuity certain for which payments are made at the end of each payment period. The example of annuity is insurance policy and annual dividends. We have two annuity formulae. The first one is future value. FV equal to R multiple 1 plus R into the power of n minus 1 over R. The second is present value. PV equal to R multiple 1 minus 1 plus R into the power of negative n over R. We start with question 1. Mr. Z has a business plan. He needs a financing consultant to assist him in finding suitable capital to expand his business. Accordingly, the business should have at least 5 years to maintain. Assist him to decide which plan will be the better plan for his business. After 10 years of business, he intended to settle his loan since he made a big profit. What will be the amount paid to settle the outstanding loan? The solution for plan A, we start with formula above. The value of A is 80,000 and the interest rate given was 6.7%. The time of compounded is 12 times a year and the term of year is 15 years. We subs into the formula above, which is 80,000 equal to R multiple 1 minus 1 plus 0.067 over 12 into the power of negative 100 and 80 over 0.067 over 12. So we get R for RM 705.71 cent. Then we calculate the total interest using the formula I equal to n times R minus A. We subs into the formula 180 times 705.71 minus 800. Then we get the total interest for RM 47,000 and 27.80 cent. The outstanding loan for 5 years, we subs into the formula R. RM 705.71 cent multiple 1 minus 1 plus 0.067 over 12 into the power of negative 60 over 0.067 over 12. We get the answer for outstanding loan is RM 35,895.80 cent. Now we look at the plan B. The value of A is the same, which is 80,000 ringgit. The interest rate given was 5.6%. The times of compounded is 12 and the term of year is 20 years. We subs into the formula 80,000 equal to R multiple 1 minus 1 plus 0.056 over 12 into the power of negative 240 over 0.056 over 12. So the answer for R is RM 554 ringgit and 84. After that, we calculate the total interest using the formula I equal to NR minus A. So 240 multiple 554.84 minus 80,000. Then we get 53,161.60. To find the outstanding loan for 10 years, 554.84 multiple to 1 minus 1 plus 0.056 over 12 into the power of negative 120 over 0.056 over 12. So the answer is 50,892.27. The total loan that Mr. Z borrowed from each plan is worth 80,000 ringgit. The interest rate that offered by plan A is 6.7% and compounded for 12 times 4 years in 15 years. For plan B, the interest rate that offered is 5.6% and compounded for 12 times 4 years in 20 years. But after we made the calculation for each plan, we have decided that plan B is much better than plan A. This is because the monthly payment that Mr. Z should pay for plan B is only 554 ringgit 84 compared to plan A, which is 705.71. When we look at the point of total interest for 20 years by plan A, the total was 47,027.80. Meanwhile, the total interest for 15 years by plan B was 53,161.60. By making a big profit, Mr. Z decided to settle all the loan after 10 years. So, the outstanding loan for 5 years in plan A as much as 35,895.80, while plan B is 50,000 892.27 for 10 years. Since Mr. Z wants to start his new business, the monthly payment of Plan B is more suitable than Plan A and can less his burden. So clearly, the total interest by Plan A is higher than Plan B. So Mr. Z should choose Plan A instead of Plan B for his loan making.
For question number 2, the hardware group intends to purchase 100 laptops from the manufacturer to start his business. They receive an invoice from Desktop Magic and Rapid Computing and need to choose which company give a better place. The details of the invoice are as follows: date of invoice, list price, trade discount, cash discount, and transportation costs. In order to make a decision, assist the hardware crew to understand the meaning of trade discount and cash discount. Then help them to choose a manufacturer who give a better price if the payment is made on 25 January 2023. Hence, describe the benefit of trade discount and cash discount to the supplier.
To assist the hardware crew, here are the meaning of trade and cash discount. For trade discount, a trade discount is reduction at the original selling price of an item. Manufacturers issue catalog describing the products including list price and quotes a discount rate. Retailers usually pay for goods at price lower than list price. For cash discount are credits or discount applied to an invoice or bill which are paid within a specified period of time. The solution for question 2 for Desktop Magic, the date of invoice is 20 December 2022 and their original price is 4,200 ringgit and they give 20% and 5% for trade discount. The transportation cost for Desktop Magic is 200 ringgit. So, we sub into the formula net price equal to list price times 1 minus D, 4,200 multiple 100 times 1 minus 0.2 times 1 minus 0.05 times 1 minus 0.07 equal to 296,856 ringgit plus 200. So we get 297,056. Lastly, we calculate for total discount. 420,000 minus 200, 96,856. We will get 123,144 ringgit. That we will calculate for Rapid Computing. Their original price is 3,985 ringgit and they give 15% and 8% for trade discount. So we use the same formula. So 3,985 multiple 100 times 1 minus 0.15 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.05 equal to 296,045.65 plus 200. So the net price we get 296,245 ringgit 65 cent. Lastly, for total discount 398,500 minus 296,245 ringgit 65 cent, we will get 102,454 ringgit 35 cent.
From the question, the date between invoice and the date of payment in 35 days starting from 20 December 2022 until 21st January 2023 for both manufacturer, which the transportation fee is RM200. Desktop Magic offer trade discount by 20%, 5% and the single discount equivalent is 24%. For the cash discount it offered 7 per 45, 10 per 30 and 3 per 60. Next, the trade discount offered by Rapid Computing is 50% and 8% which also provides single discount equivalent for 21.8%. 10 per 30 and 5 per 50 cash discount is offered by the manufacturer. The net price for Desktop Magic after include transportation cost is 297,056. Meanwhile, Rapid Computing is 296,245 ringgit 0.65 cents. As we see, the Rapid Computing is cheaper than Desktop Magic, but after calculate the total discount, we can conclude that Desktop Magic offers highest discount compared to Rapid Computing. So Desktop Magic is the best choice for hardware crew to purchase 100 laptops. The benefit of trade discount and cash discount is retailer can purchase bulk of product without getting any loss.